Hey, buenos dias, que paso, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. It's coming up on about a year since I've picked up this Harley Davidson Dyna to learn the Dyna wheelies. It's been a struggle, it's been a challenge. I've yet to master them, but we're still working at it. And I thought, you know what, today we're going to take the bike out for a quick spin, get some wheelies out of our system, and I'm going to go over 5 reasons why I think Harley wheelies are the raddest of all the wheelies.
Yikes.
A while back I did a video going over why Harley wheelies are stupid, and yes, there are reasons why they're pretty dang stupid and why it's one of the dumbest things to do, trying to wheelie one of these guys. But today we're going to talk about the other side of the spectrum. Now, a little bit of preamble before we jump into it. I have to say I was actually quite surprised when I started doing the Harley wheelies and implementing that content into my channel. I was surprised by kind of the divide. You have people that either like really dig it or those who really hate it. And I tell you, those who really hate it are like very passionate about their hatred towards it. And it always kind of baffled me. I never quite understood that. But anyway, let's jump into it. 5 reasons why Harley wheelies are so rad and why I love them so much. So reason number 1 is they're very unassuming. And what I mean by that is, if you see somebody rocking around on a sport bike or a supermoto or a naked bike or a street fighter, you almost expect them to ride and live on one wheel. It's just kind of the name of the game. Those bikes can handle it. They're built for it. It makes it easy. Same thing on a Honda Grom. You expect that person to be rolling on one wheel. And so with that, you have a little bit of an added pressure. The bar is set very high, because if you're like me and you're a newbie, wannabe novice when it comes to the wheelie game, then it's almost like there's this expectation that you need to be on a wheel when you can't be. Nice thing with the Harley is nobody's expecting a Harley to be on one wheel, at least for the most part. And so when you do go on one wheel, it's a big surprise. So number 1, it's very unassuming. It's not expected that you're going to be rocking a wheelie on a big, 600-700 pound bike like this. All right, reason number 2, it's extremely challenging and very difficult. And you may be thinking, that's not a good thing, that's a bad thing. But the reason I say it's a good thing is because with great challenges come great rewards. Nah, that's not how it goes. What's the old saying? The harder you work for something, the greater the reward. Something along those lines. It's a wicked difficult thing to wheelie a Harley. I think anybody you talk to who's done it will tell you that when they first started, they probably thought it was impossible. I mean, you have to put a lot of work in. That's why a year into my endeavor at this Dyna game, and I've still yet to master it, and I'm very hit or miss. So it is a very difficult thing. But with that, I'll tell you, once you put in the work, and even when you get the first taste of it, even the first time you get that back tire to catch and the front wheel comes up in the air and you get that little sensation, that feeling like, whoa, crap, dude, I'm coming up on a wheelie. It feels awesome. It really does. So like I said, it's very difficult, but with that, once you figure it out, or at least get close or get a taste of it, it's all the better. It's like you really put in the work and you're seeing the fruits of your labor. That's right, the fruits of your Harley Davidson wheelie labor. Reason number 3 is you don't see it as often. Now, it's becoming more common. I know there's dozens of people who do it these days, way more than you ever had back in the day, but it's still relatively uncommon. The majority of the people who I talk to, if they're not into the Harley wheelie scene, have no idea that these things are even capable of doing it. And so with that comes the wow factor, the ability to impress people, which I know is the number 1 reason why we ride motorcycles, is to be able to impress people, show off, all that kind of thing. And that's where it's like, whoa, dude, if you're popping a wheelie on a Harley Davidson, it's not expected, and you're going to be sure to impress, unless you're dealing with people who absolutely hate seeing a Harley go through that. All right, reason number 4 why wheelies on a Harley Davidson are so radical, man. In order to do a proper wheelie on an old chap such as this, you pretty much have to be at 12 o'clock. Now again, that makes it more challenging and difficult, but the reason that's cool is because it looks so gnarly, it looks so amazing. To to see a Harley Davidson pretty much straight up and down. Now, I'll admit I'm at like 10 o'clock, 10:30, 10:45, but I'm working my way back. But that just adds to the wow factor with this motorcycle, the fact that you're basically straight up and down. Not to mention, if you've seen the dudes who are like at like 12:30, I mean, that's absolutely outrageous. But yeah, you're pretty much straight up and down, and that's where balance point is on these motorcycles. And you don't have the really long gears, so you can't be chasing it out. You pretty much, to get a proper wheelie, have to get it right up into that balance point, and you're sitting there. All right, and then that takes me to reason number 5. Dang it, why is there a gas tanker truck at my wheelie spot? I mean, no offense, but I really don't want to be doing a wheelie and crashing into a tanker truck, you know what I mean? I can handle crashing into a bush or a tree or something like that, but the truck full of flammable stuff, that's not really up my alley. Let's try a wheelie real quick, since we're talking wheelies here. Beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. And there's reason number 5. When you get into the wheelie itself and you're experiencing what it is to do a wheelie on a Harley Davidson, it is unlike any other motorcycle. It's not like the Honda Grom, it's not like the DRZ, it's not like the FZ09, it's not like the FZ07, it's not like the CBR, it's not like a Super Sport. It is unlike any other motorcycles. This big, heavy, 700-pound motorcycle that doesn't belong on one wheel, and yet there you are defying the laws of physics and popping up a wheelie on a Harley Davidson. And so I don't even have a word for it, but that's reason number 5 why it's so rad. Is it just is rad. It's unlike anything else. There you have it, you guys. John's Moto Garage, 5 reasons why I think Harley Davidson wheelies are the raddest of all the wheelie types, and there are a lot of different types on all different motorcycles. Yeah, it's been fun. I'm about a year into my game. I'm not as far along as I would like to have been, but at the same time, having the bike and knowing how difficult it is and all the different challenges you face, I'm pretty stoked. I can't complain. Leave a comment below. Are you a fan of the Harley wheelies? Do you absolutely hate them and despise them? And if so, why? I would love to understand why there's such hate towards that. John's Moto Garage, if you dig the content, be sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, we'll see you. Adios. Nos vemos.